In the midst of our modern society's prosperity, the persisting issue of teenage homelessness and poverty remains a pressing concern. Addressing this multifaceted problem requires a comprehensive approach, and three key solutions stand out as imperative steps toward a brighter future for our youth. Firstly, supporting local shelters and outreach programs is paramount in providing immediate relief to teenagers facing homelessness. These initiatives offer a safe haven for vulnerable youth, supplying them with essential resources such as food, shelter, and clothing. Communities must rally together to strengthen and expand these facilities, ensuring that no teenager is left without a roof over their head. Secondly, advocacy for policies that address the root causes of poverty is crucial for sustainable change. By engaging with policymakers, citizens can work towards implementing systemic changes that tackle the underlying issues leading to teenage homelessness. This includes initiatives focused on affordable housing, education, and healthcare, all of which contribute to breaking the cycle of poverty that ensnares so many young lives. Lastly, providing skill-building workshops equips teenagers with the tools they need to escape the clutches of poverty. These workshops should encompass a range of practical skills, from resume writing to job interviews and financial literacy. Empowering youth with these capabilities enhances their chances of securing stable employment, fostering independence, and breaking free from the chains of homelessness. In conclusion, eradicating teenage homelessness and poverty demands a multifaceted approach. By supporting local shelters, advocating for systemic change, and providing skill-building workshops, society can pave the way for a future where no teenager is left to navigate the challenges of life without a stable foundation. It is a collective responsibility to ensure that the youth, our most valuable asset, can thrive and contribute meaningfully to society.